In today's video, I will walk you through how to set up your Salesforce exam using online proctoring. This step is super important because it makes sure everything is ready before exam day. So don't worry, once you break it down, the process is actually really simple. First thing first, you will need to create or log into your Salesforce Trailhead profile. Make sure you are use the same email address that you plan to use for your certification exam. This help keeps everything connected and avoids issues later. You can access Trailhead at trailhead.salesforce.com. Once you are logged in, you are ready to move on. At the top menu, hover over to the certification section right here, and then hover over to the browse all certifications. Click on that. This is where you will find every Salesforce certification available. Now look for the certification you want to take. To save time, use the filter on the side right here, sort by product, role, and level. This makes find your exam much easier. Once you click on your chosen certification, you will see all the important details. Take a moment to review who the certification is for, any prerequisites, exam cost, available languages. These steps help you confirm that this is the right exam for you. When you are ready, click register or register now on for this one here. And for the exam delivery option, choose online proctoring. This allows you to take the exam remotely right from your own space. After registration, check your email inbox. You will receive confirmation email with your exam date, exam time, important instruction for exam day. Make sure to read this carefully. And that's it. By following these steps, you will be fully set up to take your Salesforce exam with online proctoring. Take your time, double check everything, and you will be ready to go. Good luck on your exam. I hope this video helped you out. If you did, consider to like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.